Well, hello and welcome back to Wooden Railway Studio. Here is the non-rail vehicle portion of my collection video. You can see this video separately, here, or you can see my whole collection video that I'll be putting up in a couple of days. This is part one of several ones I'll be making individually and then combining them into one big video. So, let's get started. First, we have Tiger Moth, a biplane. Then we have Harold the helicopter. This one and one other vehicle is not wooden, but I like to use them in my, in my stories. This is Sir Topham Hatt's car from Ertl. So it's a die-cast metal one, but it works well and it looks nice. Here's Bulgy, the bus. And Bertie, the bus. The old style, with the people in the windows. Next we have George the Steamroller from a home video bonus pack. Then we have Madge, a little transport car. You put a train up here and she brings it to say the works or wherever it needs to go. Here's Caroline the car. An old style Terrence the tractor. I still need to find rubber bands that work as treads. I never, with my original one, I lost them all. And then that one I purchased and I didn't realize it was missing the treads. So I'll have to get those. But here's the fire truck. So our fire department. It's a small one. Then we've got Lorry 1 with flatbed. We've got Elizabeth, the lorry, and she pops open when there's a button right here. You click it, and her back opens. So that's a nice little feature. Here's the second non-wooden railway vehicle in this video. It's the Sodor Canal Boat. It works really well with the wooden trains and things. So I decided I'm just gonna use it in my videos since it looks really nice. It's it's Ertl as well, just like the Sir Topham Hatt's car, but it works just as fine. So here I have the two different versions of Trevor. The old style. And the new style. Then I also have this the Crosby Station cargo truck. A very hard to find character. I always like this one. Then we go on to the pack with Jack and Alfie. Here is Isabella. And just like Elizabeth, she has a button here. You click it and her trailer pops open. She also has this little trailer to add at the behind. We also have Nelson. Byron. Press the button and he goes up. So these are the kind of treads that I need to find for Terrence, the tractor engine. I've got Monty, Max, and Monty. Uh-oh, someone gets the phone. Okay, so here is Kelly. Then I've got Patrick. This cement mixer does spin. Then we've got Jack. And Alfie, which this can move around. You can also move around back and forth, all the way back. And so, finally for this video, we have two water vehicles. The Soda Bay tugboat. And I don't like to take this one out of the package because it's very hard to find one, but the Soda Bay cargo ship. I'll show you what it is in the original package from 1994. With the two cargo blocks and even the original pamphlet in the back. All from 1994. Well, thank you for viewing this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for other videos that I'll be making. And also, if you didn't get to see my other parts of the collection video that I have already made, you can check out those as well. Well, thank you for viewing my video, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and share my videos on any social media outlet you belong to. Well, thank you, and see you next time.